Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 not launching. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to task manager. Make sure to close all the applications that you don't need and that you know what they do, like any VPN or stuff like that. Now click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Install all the updates that you can find. Go to GeForce Experience. Go to drivers, check for updates, install the latest one, download it and install it, and then try again, and your problem must be fixed. And see you in the next video.